I'm Mark Schmitt, president and owner of RAWHIDE Golf Ball Co. The experience working with BizIQ for the last 4 years has been very good. BizIQ, it's worth listening, talking, and giving it a try to make them the administrator of the website and give it a shot, as I did with mine. They've taken my website from a basic website that had no rhyme or reason to the search engines like Google and made it work. BizIQ is almost like a family, a part of the business that RAWHIDE offers to myself, my employees, and in a sense, as a team, BizIQ. Without BizIQ, RAWHIDE wouldn't be where it's at now. The bottom line is increase in sales. How has it done before BizIQ and what's it doing now? The sales has doubled and is on the verge of tripling compared to what it was 4 years ago. So I am very happy with that. It is the bottom line that counts, and Biz works with me as a team together with ideas that they offer, ideas that I offer. We work together. We trade back information back and forth so that I feel like we're all part of the team.